guys. So today we are going to see that how can you apply for monetization in YouTube. So if you have completed 1000 subscriber and 4000 hours of view, you can apply for monetization. For that, go to YouTube and go to your channel, and you can go for YouTube Studio. So after going to YouTube Studio, as you can see on the left side, we have this some menus, dashboard, contents. Go to the monetization, and now as you can see over here, I have completed 1000 subscribers, 4000 watch hours is been completed, 2-step verification is active, and there is no strikes, right? So you can apply for that. So click on this apply now, and now you can see you have to review. There is step 1, step 2, step 3. So step 1 is that review partner program terms, read and agree to the YouTube partner program terms. So click on that, and you can just read all these terms and conditions. So what we have monetization revenues. YouTube will pay as you follow. So what happens, like it will pay 55% of net revenue from the ads, 55% from subscription revenues, and then payment account requirement. So you need a bank account or something like that where the money can be sent out, and the payment terms, limitation, and taxes. So if your balance is, let's say, least than $100, I think then you don't need to pay for taxes, but then you have, like, the YouTube will directly take out the taxes from your total money. So that's okay. And then termination, like they can terminate your account if you violate some terms and condition. And then governing law, miscellaneous. So click on this, I accept, and click on accept terms. So that's the first step that has been completed. So you need to select this first step, click on start, and do this thing. Okay, so first step has been done. Second step has been done because I already linked my Google AdSense account. Third step is that get reviewed. So YouTube will review your channel to make sure it complies with the YouTube monetization policies. If you click on that, it will take you to a different page where YouTube channel monetization policies have been returned. So you can see on this. So like what they will check the main theme, most viewed videos, newest videos, biggest proportion of watch time, video metadata, that means title, thumbnail, description. They will check all these things, and if they find all these things as per their credibility, or like as per their guidelines, so they will accept your this request of monetization, and they will approve that. So what happens, they will email you a decision, usually within a month. So they will take a 1 month for this decision. This step will begin automatically after you complete the first 2 steps. This has been completed, and this step will automatically get started, right? So they will take about 1 month to review your channel and to make a decision. So you have to wait for 1 month, and then you can see through an email that what decision they have sent you. So that's the video for this. How can you apply for channel monetization on YouTube, and that's the step that you need to follow. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Wiseman, thank you.